Welcome to our video on how to create a pet-friendly home. Today we'll offer advice on making your living environment more comfortable and safe for your furry friends. Let's dive into some essential tips and tricks. First, let's talk about pet-proofing your home. Ensure that all hazardous items, such as cleaning supplies and small objects, are out of reach. Use baby gates to block off restricted areas and secure loose wires. Next, consider your flooring options. Hardwood or tile floors are easier to clean and less likely to trap pet hair. If you prefer carpets, choose ones with low pile to make vacuuming easier. Creating a designated pet area is crucial. Set up a cozy corner with your pet's bed, toys, and water bowl. This gives them a safe space to relax and helps keep the rest of your home organized. Regular cleaning is essential for a pet-friendly home. Use a vacuum with a HEPA filter to effectively remove pet hair and dander. Wash your pet's bedding and toys frequently to maintain a clean environment. Invest in pet-friendly furniture. Choose materials that are durable and easy to clean, such as leather or microfiber. Consider using slipcovers that can be easily removed and washed. Ensure your home is safe for your pets. Install window screens to prevent falls and keep toxic plants out of reach. Make sure your pet has proper identification in case they get lost. Finally, enrich your pet's environment with stimulating activities. Provide scratching posts, interactive toys, and regular playtime. A happy and engaged pet is less likely to develop behavioral issues.